What is going on, MOASS Nation? They all told me not to yell and scream because it's late. It's like 7 p.m. and it's
showing
dark
the
outside.
fire. Showing the campfire.
There's a campfire here?
Yeah.
We got a campfire, y'all.
Man, we out getting it. We out getting it, man. He want to talk about HUMBL.
He wants to talk about HUMBL. I'm just letting him do it.
Man,
Listen,
I am dropping the video tomorrow on HUMBL.
no, you're dropping it tonight,
You
Chris.
don't even have any HUMBL people on your channel,
I
Pat.
got like 11 of them.
11 HUMBL people? What do they want to know?
Everything. that you
Okay,
know.
HUMBL just dropped the peer-to-peer app.
What the hell is a peer-to-peer app?
The cryptocurrency. We got the model
Okay.
built. We got it updated. It's all dropping on my channel tomorrow with spot analysis. But I don't
Okay.
really know how deep your guys go, man. Are
They
they
go
all
deep.
apes? Or you got any fundamental guys over here?
We
What?
got fundamental apes,
Okay,
Chris.
man.
You know what a fundamental ape is?
I never heard of a fundamental ape,
Okay.
but man, it's coming. We got the market. We got 11% CAGR going out to 2028. Gonna try to run this thing from 820 million all the way to 1.9 billion by 2028. It's all going down. We scrunching the numbers. It's already recorded. We just waiting on it to drop. So anything else y'all got on HUMBL, drop it in his comments. I'll be back to hit you guys up. But nobody ever asked questions. Nobody ever asked me anything.
Chris, they always ask.
Man, it's
you.
no love for the dog. Man, it's AMC or nothing. All you guys care about
They don't care about
is the
AMC.
MOASS.
They care about MOASS and they want that humble MOASS.
No, we are not MOASS and HUMBL.
Why not? Chris.
Do not
Hey.
MOASS HUMBL.
Okay. Can you share at least a little bit about NIO?
NIO, well,
What's going on with NIO right now?
NIO's got that ET7 or ET8 dropping over there in Norway. They got some volatility going on. Is it going to drop? It's not. We waiting on this COVID to subside, man. Until this chip thing gets sorted out, they could go in any country in the world. It doesn't matter. They don't have the units to push. They don't have the manufacturing capacity. So everything about NIO right now, I think, is a lot of hype. I told these guys 8 months ago it wasn't going to hit 100. What are they trading at now?
They're trading at $41.
Hey, so man, I mean, it is what it is, Pat. You know, every time I get on your channel, it's that real truth. So 8 months out, I told you it wasn't going to 100. When they was trading at 68, I told you they were worth 50. So, I mean, I'm spot on with this. I don't just say this. I'm about this.
Are you saying they shouldn't buy NIO right now, Chris?
I mean, they can buy wherever they price point at. They can go check out my NIO material, find out where they're comfortable at. But don't buy because I buy or you buy. Go find out what you're comfortable with. Understand the fundamentals of it. Act accordingly.
All right, Chris. All right. I'm just going to put the spotlight on you for a second. My arm's getting tired. We are impromptu right now.
We
have
impromptu, man.
no
We supposed to be
preparation.
out hanging out. Man, this guy, look, Pat loves you guys.
I do.
Pat loves you guys because we
Right.
out hanging out eating.
All right, Chris.
All right, what is the spotlight, man? What is going on? What do you want to know, Pat? Truth or dare?
All right. Truth. Can I ask the first question?
Go ahead and ask.
What's going on with you and Brittany? What the hell is going on here, Chris?
Brittany
I come
Nicole?
home. Look, I went outside for a second out there.
Right.
What the heck's going on, Chris?
You,
Oh, hell.
next question?
All right, question number 2. How much HUMBL do you own? How many, or is that politically correct for me to ask of you?
I own HUMBL.
How much? How many? Where's your HUMBL hat, Chris? Why didn't you wear your HUMBL hat today?
It's in my video.
Guys, I'm going to show you the last intro to the video that I never posted,
Yeah.
never published. When Chris came, he showed up at my house. I made him zip his jacket down. It was freezing
I'm
cold.
humbled up. Everybody know
He was
I'm with that
humbled up.
humble life. Yeah.
All right, how many shares of HUMBL do you own, Chris?
I don't want to say on the record how many
Why?
I hold.
Is it over 10,000? Is it
I
over
don't wanna
30,000? He ain't going to tell y'all, but I know the number.
It's going to cost you a little money to see that portfolio.
It's gonna. Hey,
Yeah.
subscribe, $9.99 a month.
Yeah, it's going to cost you a little
Okay.
money to see that portfolio.
All
But
right.
it's nice. It's nice.
So, do you have any advice for the people that are maybe on the fence, thinking, well, maybe I should buy HUMBL, maybe I shouldn't? I mean, for the
Well,
people like me.
I feel like this with HUMBL, you really need to understand your expectations, understand what you're getting in, how much money you feel like what the lockup period is going to be. You know, I'm in at HUMBL, I feel good up to $1, and I feel good up to 5 years. That's my comfort zone. On my channel, we talk about a lot of different 20 price point comfort zones. You got to find yours, sell in, get comfortable, and hang on for the long ride. You know, some people got out. We did a technical analysis today on it. We saw people going in, you know, at 40 cents, people leaving at 89. So it's all about where you feel comfortable at. And if you're in for a day trader, maybe you got different characteristics about your investment strategy than somebody who's in it for the 5-year ride like me. So, you know, if you day trading or you in it fundamentally, you know, everybody's got a different objective with it. So, and I cover everybody.
All right, what other companies do you cover, Chris? Because maybe
I
some
don't want to
myself.
get, man.
Come on.
Hey, I've been on Top Ticker a lot. I've been on there a lot, man. Everybody know it's Microvision, Metamaterials, BNGO, Fubo TV, NIO.
Do we have any updates on Microvision? What?
Microvision is one of the easier companies to cover because since I've covered them, they really don't have any sales or any,
Right.
So they pretty much, you build a model on those guys and they sit still. So we don't have any activity coming until maybe Q2, Q3 of 2022. So nothing to worry about with Microvision. They're just going to sit there and kind of hibernate on the hype. But outside of that, I don't see anything fundamentally happening with that company.
What's the current price target on Microvision that you gave to your channel last time?
Maybe fundamentally about $3. You could throw
$3?
some hype in there. Anything above $3.50 maybe is a little hype for me.
Okay. And did we get, so on HUMBL, what's your price target?
I feel comfortable up to $1 with HUMBL.
Okay. And on NIO, what's the last price target you gave?
Man, that thing was back in, what was that, February I did that pay?
Yeah.
Man, I'm still holding it at $44, $46, what I told them.
Yeah.
8, 9, 10 months ago.
So far, you've been spot on NIO.
Yeah, man, it's one thing about it. I don't have to lie. You go check the tape. Once it's on the internet, you can't, it's out there. They can go hit the rewind button, man. I don't really like play around with this. They know how I get down.
Cool, cool. What about BNGO, Chris?
BNGO, man, until they get this government, accreditation, get with the FDA, I really don't feel good about Sapphire in that research realm. I really don't like that academia, but you can get some of these healthcare providers to respect it with FDA approval. I feel a bit better about them. But other than that, I'm not buying any of the propaganda they sell.
So you don't think ARK Invest is going to acquire any new shares? You don't think Simon is going to?
Kathy Wood, she may know more than I know. She's got definitely a stronger payroll team than I have. But at the end of the day, you either FDA approve or you're not. So that's where the market is. That's where the money is. So you're going to have to go out and manufacture you some demand. If you don't acquire it naturally, you got to go out there and get it, whether that's through government regulation or FDA approval or wherever. But I do know this, you're not going out and buying a Sapphire test, and neither am I.
Right, that's true.
So where are the sales coming from? Yeah, 6 figures before the decimal. Go ahead and clarify that.
And my company has a stock too, by the way, that
Yeah.
I'm invested
Hey,
in. So
what's the ticker symbol?
BrittanyNicole.com.
What is the ticker symbol, Miss Brittany?
THRY, Thrive.
THR. Hold up, I own 2 shares of that.
We just went public last year, hit the NASDAQ, and we started at trading at $10 a share, and now
$10
we're
a
about
share.
$38 a share today.
Did y'all come out as a
in 1 year.
SPAC or as an IPO?
Honestly, I'm invested in it. I don't know a lot about it. I just know that it's almost 4 times this money in 1 year.
So it's about $40?
Almost, yes.
What's it at right now? Don't lie to us.
36, 38.
Oh, hell, that ain't almost 4 times.
Yeah,
That's
it started
3.5.
at 3.
See, she's
I did say I was smart.
humble,
But
humble,
yeah.
humble.
Yeah, about
humble.
3 times.
About 3.5 times, 3.6 times to be accurate, y'all. But listen, guys, you ain't got to be pretty to be successful in this game. 3.6 times. Miss Brittany knows it. Tell me that ticker symbol one more time.
THRY.
THRY. If you're not buying that, you're a moron. Brittany said to buy it. She's a financial advisor for
I'm a
Citadel.
business advisor for
She's
Thrive.
a business advisor for Thrive. Okay, if you ain't buying that spit, then I don't know what you're buying. Maybe you should go out and buy some MVIS. I'm sorry, y'all. Listen, hey, you know I love y'all. This was just
for real.
Hey, listen, this is a Thanksgiving special I'm doing for you guys, even though it's not Thanksgiving. We're doing this early. Thank you for.
Maybe they want to see the fire again.
Can I say that on TV?
No, you can't.
You filthy apes, go wash them fleas off of you with some Johnson & Johnson, you sick sickos. I'll see you guys in the next video.